Hello friends, welcome to Indian History Part 4. Question number 1. The founder of Jainism was? Answer, Parsavanta. Question number 2. Vardhamana Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankar of the Jainism, was born at and died at? Answer, Kundagrama and Pava. Question number 3. The three jewels, three Ratnas of Jainism are? Answer, right faith or intention, right knowledge and right conduct. Question number 4. Jainism was divided into two sects, Svetambra and Digambras, during the region of? Answer, Mauryas. Question number 5. The Buddha means? Answer, enlightened. Question number 6. Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayan during the region of? Answer, Kanishka, in the year 78 AD. Question number 7. The great exponent of Mahayana Buddhism was? Answer, Nagarjuna. Question number 8. Outside India, Buddhism was first accepted in? Answer, Sri Lanka. Question number 9. Of all the states in the northern India in 6th century BC, which of the following states emerged as most powerful? Answer, Magadha. Question number 10. When Alexander invaded India, Magadha was being ruled by the? Answer, Nandas. Question number 11. The decline of the Nandas at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play written by Kalidas. Answer is Malavik Agnimitra. Question number 12. Kautilya, also known as Vishnugupta and Chanakya, is the author of Ardhashastra, which has been compared with? Answer is Machiavelli's Prince. Question number 13. Megasthenes, the ambassador of Seleucus at the Mauryan court in Pataliputra, wrote an account of the period in his book? Answer, Indica. Question number 14. Which of the following is the single most important source of history of Ashoka? Answer is Inscriptions of Ashoka. Question number 15. In his inscriptions, Ashoka called himself as? Answer is Devanam Priya Priyadarshini King. Question number 16. The most important official post with the vast responsibility created by Ashoka was? Answer is Dharma Mahatya. Question number 17. The Mauryan sculptures had attained the highest perfection in the carving of? Answer is animal figures. Question number 18. The most striking features of Ashokan pillar is there? Answer is polish. Question number 19. Who has taken power from the Mauryas after killing the last Mauryan ruler Brihadratha? Answer is Pushyamitra Sunga of Sunga dynasty. And the last question, 20th question. The most famous Indo-Greek ruler of India, famous for his sense of justice and dialogues with a Buddhist monk, Nagasena, was? Answer is Menander. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and thanks for watching.